Learn English to Gujarati. Matter, connection, background, and
વિરોધાભાસ.
welcome to the word circus. Hey, you're about to learn some very smart sounding Gujarati words without sounding like a sleepy dictionary. We will make them memorable, useful, and just a little ridiculous. Today's star words are matter, connection, background, prerequisite, sequence, effect, consequence, and contradiction. In Gujarati, that is
બાબત, સંબંધ, પૃષ્ઠભૂમિ, પૂર્વશરત, ક્રમ, અસર, પરિણામ,
and.
વિરોધાભાસ.
Yes, these are big ideas. No, you do not need a philosophy degree. Maybe just tea. A very serious office matter. Let's begin with a dramatic office scene, because every useful word becomes easier when somebody is panicking near a file cabinet. Imagine a manager slamming a folder on the desk and saying, "This matter is important." In Gujarati, matter is
બાબત.
Yesterday we discussed the matter becomes we discussed this.
બાબત.
If it is a legal matter, it is still
બાબત.
Think of a giant folder labeled
બાબત.
and a cat in glasses saying, first,
બાબત.
then snacks. Honestly, that cat has priorities. Connecting the dots. Now let's tie things together, emotionally, logically, and maybe with imaginary rope. Connection in Gujarati is
સંબંધ.
there is a clear connection between sleep and health. There is a clear.
સંબંધ.
If you do not see the connection between two ideas, you do not see the
સંબંધ.
family connection is also.
સંબંધ.
So this word can be logical, social, or emotional. Memory trick. Imagine two socks hosting a podcast about their deep.
સંબંધ.
Strange, yes. Memorable, also yes. What is going on in the background? Some words stand in front and wave. This one stands quietly behind everything and still does a lot of work. Background is
પૃષ્ઠભૂમિ.
in a photo, the mountains may be the.
પૃષ્ઠભૂમિ.
In history, the background of an event is also.
પૃષ્ઠભૂમિ.
In life, your musical background can be your.
પૃષ્ઠભૂમિ.
Imagine posing proudly for a picture, then realizing the laundry mountain behind you has become the real.
પૃષ્ઠભૂમિ.
Very educational, slightly tragic. Before you start. Next is a wonderful adult word, the kind that appears on forms, websites, and university pages just when you were feeling confident. Prerequisite is
પૂર્વશરત.
basic math is a prerequisite for this course. Basic math is a.
પૂર્વશરત.
A passport is a prerequisite for international travel. A passport is a.
પૂર્વશરત.
Imagine a locked door with a bright sign saying,
પૂર્વશરત.
and even a cat librarian refusing entry without it. Harsh, but fair. Put it in order. Time to organize chaos, because chaos is exciting in movies but exhausting in real life. Sequence is.
ક્રમ.
Please put the numbers in the correct sequence means put them in the correct.
ક્રમ.
The events happened in a strange sequence. The events happened in a strange.
ક્રમ.
Follow the sequence step by step. Follow the.
ક્રમ.
Picture a squirrel proudly arranging nuts in perfect.
ક્રમ.
Like a tiny forest accountant. Cause, effect, and oops. Here comes a pair of useful words. One is what happens. The other is the fuller outcome, often after your bad decision meets reality. Effect is.
અસર.
And consequence is.
પરિણામ.
The medicine had a strong effect, it had a strong.
અસર.
His words had a positive effect on me, his words had a positive.
અસર.
Every action has a consequence. Every action has a.
પરિણામ.
The consequence of the mistake was serious, the.
પરિણામ.
Was serious. Think of dropping one domino. The spreading wave is.
અસર.
The final crash into your favorite mug is.
પરિણામ.
Language learning is now officially dangerous. When ideas fight each other. Our last big word is perfect for debates, detective stories, and awkward conversations with people who change their story every 2 minutes. Contradiction is
વિરોધાભાસ.
if two reports do not match, there is a
વિરોધાભાસ.
if someone says, I never talk, during a long speech, that is a funny.
વિરોધાભાસ.
Imagine two arrows pointing in opposite directions under a giant sign.
વિરોધાભાસ.
Very clear, very dramatic, excellent for memory. Mini dialogue challenge. Let's hear the words in action. Listen once, then repeat out loud like the confident language hero you are becoming. A. What is the matter? B. This
બાબત.
is important. A. Do you see the connection? B. Yes, I see the.
સંબંધ.
A. The photo looks strange. B. Check the.
પૃષ્ઠભૂમિ.
A. Can I join the course? B. Only if you meet the.
પૂર્વશરત.
A. Should I tell the story randomly? B. No, tell it in.
ક્રમ.
A. What was the effect? B. The.
asar.
Was immediate. A. And what was the consequence? B. The.
પરિણામ.
Was serious. A. These two claims do not fit together. B. Yes, that is.
વિરોધાભાસ.
Quick quiz, no panic. Time for a tiny quiz. No grades, no red pen, no dramatic music. Well, maybe a little dramatic music. What is the Gujarati word for matter?
બાબત.
What is the Gujarati word for connection?
સંબંધ.
What is the Gujarati word for background?
પૃષ્ઠભૂમિ.
What is the Gujarati word for prerequisite?
પૂર્વશરત.
What is the Gujarati word for sequence?
ક્રમ.
What is the Gujarati word for effect?
asar.
What is the Gujarati word for consequence?
પરિણામ.
What is the Gujarati word for contradiction?
વિરોધાભાસ.
Wrap up and keep going. You did it. You just trained your brain on some advanced Gujarati vocabulary, and nobody even made you read a boring spreadsheet. Today you practiced
બાબત. સંબંધ. પૃષ્ઠભૂમિ. પૂર્વશરત. ક્રમ. asar. પરિણામ.
and.
વિરોધાભાસ.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words aloud, make your own silly examples, and come back tomorrow so these words become part of your real Gujarati.